This house was built in the 1990s. It's solid as a rock, and like all of my listings, it's already been inspected, and there's really not much wrong with it. These folks are downsizing. Downsizing during a pandemic is actually a good idea because you have the best of the buyers out there right now, and you can make a really good deal on your next purchase. Great doorbell. So this house is beautifully done, 1,805 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, gas fireplace, formal dining, beautiful sitting area. And you'll notice the flooring that they've installed is all brand new, and it's real wood. How many times do we find real wood flooring in a house? Let me take you through to the dining room and into the beautifully done kitchen. If you have any questions or comments, you need to see something again, please just give me a little chat on the message, and we'll answer you right away. See, this is very spacious. They have it set for a family of 4, but the room is big enough that you could actually have a much bigger table if you wanted. And as I do in all my listings, I have a floor plan with measurements on the MLS. So if you want to know exactly how big you need, then you can check that very, very easily. So come on in through to this gorgeous updated kitchen. Granite counters, thick slab, beautifully done white cabinetry, matching appliances. And look at that gorgeous backsplash. Isn't that something? So these folks have redone a lot of this property. In fact, they put in over $45,000 in improvement, and all that gets to be yours. And if you continue to look around, you can see we have large pantry space with pull-out drawers, a granite-covered desk area. There's another casual eating area that they're using as an office space. And if you come back this way, I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually an eating bar right here at the counter. So you have casual eating bar here, you have casual eating there, and you have formal dining over there. So very, very well done. We're going to take you out to the beautiful backyard. These folks spent a lot of time and a lot of money making this an oasis. How many places have an oasis? That'll be funny later. So we have one gentle step down, nice big flat space, one more gentle step down. And I also want to point out that all of this patio furniture is available to go with the house with an appropriate offer. Look at how serene this is. It's going to be in the high 90s today here in Southern Oregon in Medford. And this is just succulent and lush and cool and beautiful. You can sit out here all day long and just enjoy the privacy. And how many times do you get privacy in town? Back here we have a little garden shed, a little gravel area, beautiful pressure treated wood. So let's go back this way. Isn't this amazing? The city lot is 0.25 acres wide. Very, very ample. Just the right size, not too big, not too small. And enough room. Look at this giant patio. Enough room for 2 separate spaces. It's like having a family room and a dining room outside. Absolutely beautiful. This house just price changed down to $425,000. And everything is available for sale. They are downsizing so seriously they'll consider selling everything but their pajamas. So here we have the beautifully finished 3-car garage. This is such a treasure. Very, very nicely done. Lots of cabinet space, lots and lots of built-ins. And you'll notice there's no washer and dryer in here because the washer and dryer is actually in the house. And that's something in Southern Oregon you want to make sure you double check, that all your laundry facilities are indoors. Everything's been lovingly cared for, super well maintained. Beautiful little workshop area. You can't beat it. So let's go check out the rest of the bedrooms. The outside is so inviting, we kind of jumped ahead. And we'll go back on this gentle step. Oh, another doorbell. That one doesn't work. We'll fix that. There we're back in the beautiful open concept kitchen. And we'll head back to the bedrooms. So you can see the wood floor has been taken all the way through to the hallway. We have the first guest room. Nice size. All the blinds are included. Here we have the guest bathroom. Very beautifully done. Has a tub shower combo. We'll go on to guest room number 2. You'll notice all the bedrooms are together. Many families prefer that. This is not a split floor plan, but most people actually prefer this, especially if they have small children. Or so many of us are starting to move in with our elders. Our elders are moving in with us, and we want to be near them in case they need something in the night. So it's very nice that we have a fully contemporary feel of this home, but we have all the bedrooms together. Here is the master. Again, very elegantly done, very tastefully decorated. Huge walk-in closet, very, very nice ensuite bathroom. And again, this is 2590 Meadowcreek, Medford 97504 in East Medford. It's listed at $425,000, just reduced. Hey Melissa, thanks. We just had somebody say they really like how the house looks. I want to point out on the shower that it's low step, very nice and safe. Has the handlebar, the safety bar, and it has a little bench. If you're downsizing or you have elders, you want to make sure that you check for those things, because that means you can stay in the house many, many years longer than if you don't have those things. If you don't have those things, you probably end up putting those things in or you have to move. So again, massive, massive walk-in closet, high-low bars, nice number of shelves, plenty of capacity. And we still haven't seen the laundry room, so let's head back down to the other end of the house. So again, this is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 0.25 acre lot, built in the 1990s, excellently maintained, all redone. 3-car garage, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, indoor laundry. Check this out, it's got room for a full-size washer and dryer. It has a nice sink with a drip bar. Again, more storage and pantry. This house has lots and lots of storage. It's one of the things I like about the little bit older homes, not the brand new homes, is they just have so much more storage. Beautifully done cabinets. Excellent condition. And again, as in all my listings, this was inspected before we put it on the market. Came back nice and clean. So let's walk back into the living room, show you the dining room, go through again. If you would like any more information, you can text me or call me at 541-301-7980. This address is 2590 Meadowcreek, East Medford 97504. I want to point out lots and lots of space here. They have a very large seating area, and it faces the gas fireplace. They have all these beautiful built-ins. You can see it does have open to the dining room. And if you remember, the kitchen is open to the other eating area. We have a nice trim of crown molding all across the top. We have in-house speakers. If you see these little circles on the ceiling, that's an inside sound system. Central heat and air, of course. All city services, of course. And it's very, very close to town. So again, I'm Alice Lima, broker, John L. Scott, Southern Oregon, practicing safe open house virtually. Want to thank my lovely photographer today, Lindsay Colley, for coming out on a Saturday so we could do this virtual open house. We'll give you one more sweep of the room. We'd love to have you come for a personal appointment. The address is 2590 Meadowcreek, Medford 97504, and it was just reduced to $425,000. So we've got easy access to this property. The owners are very flexible about showings. We prefer notice, of course. It's always better to have notice, but we can usually get you in within a few hours. So don't be shy if you'd like to see it. They're ready to move, and the furniture is all for sale with an appropriate offer. So make it a great weekend. Let me know if we can show you this house. I'll be around all weekend. My number is 541-301-7980. Alice Lima saying, make it a great day. Bye.